Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install one of the most advanced table rate shipping plugin for WooCommerce. The name of the plugin is WowShipping. This is one of the best table rate shipping plugin for WooCommerce with 30 plus conditions. That means you can set up different shipping rates based on more than 30 conditions. You can set up shipping rates based on location, based on weight of the product, dimension of the product, or the quantity of the products. So you can use different conditions to set up shipping rates in a WooCommerce website. This plugin has free as well as a premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin, and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro plugin. The regular price of the pro version for a single website is $69 per year. However, there is a sale going on in which you will get the pro version of this plugin at only $26 per year for a single website. If you want it for unlimited websites, it will cost you $84 per year. And if you want it for unlimited website for lifetime, it will cost you $209 lifetime. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You will also get 14 days money back guarantee. So let's see how we can set up shipping prices based on different conditions. Here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and we are going to start with the installation of the free plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for WowShipping. This is the plugin, WowShipping table rate shipping for WooCommerce. Click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand column under WooCommerce, you will see the option WowShipping. Click on it. And from here, you can manage the settings of the plugin. You can create different shipping methods. Let's start creating a shipping method. So let's click on add shipping method. At the top, you can specify a name for this shipping method that you're going to create. And from here, you can customize the shipping method. The first option is select a shipping zone. As of now, I do not have any shipping zone created on this WooCommerce website. So I'm going to create a shipping zone. Let's exit. Let's go to WooCommerce, go to settings and go to shipping. I'm going to create a zone. Let's say I want to sell the products for USA. I'm going to name it as USA, and the region, for the region I'm going to search for United States. All right, let's click on save changes and let's go back. So we have one zone here. Let's create one more. Now let's name it as UK and search for United Kingdom. Select it and click on save changes. Right, let's go back. All right, now we have two zones here, USA and UK. Now let's go back to WowShipping and go to shipping method. Click on add shipping method. All right, now here I can select the zone. Now for the zone, we have different options. I'm going to select USA and I'm going to set up shipping rate for USA. Now here you will see two different options. Select how you want to calculate the shipping rates. You can set up manual rates or you can integrate carriers. If I select this one, you will see different carrier services are available. DHL Express, USPS, Central and Australia Post. However, this option is available only for the pro version. So I'm going to select manual rates. Below that you will see select method type, and there are three different options: flexible rate, flat rate or free shipping. So I'm going to start with the free shipping. Let's select this option, free shipping. And for this also, I'm going to name it as free shipping. Below that, you will see expected delivery time. You can set up expected delivery time, let's say 5 to 7 days. And here you can add a condition. There are different conditions that you can select from: when, cart total, cart quantity, cart subtotal, cart weight, cart coupons, and you will see some conditions based on product. However, these conditions are available for the pro version only. So I'm going to select cart total equals or let's say more than, let's say $600. Then we are going to offer free shipping. Shipping taxes, if you want to add shipping taxes, you can also add taxes. So I'm going to set up no. I'll show you where to find the tax settings. As of now, I'm going to select none. And below that we have who can view this shipping method. Currently it is set to everyone. If you want it for logged in users or logged out users, you need to go for the Pro version. You can also set up handling fee, however that is also available for the Pro version. Right, so these are the conditions. I'm going to click on save and it is enabled. Let's go back. You will see that we have one shipping method, that is free shipping for USA. Now let's go to the website and I'm going to add some products here and let's make it more than 600. So now we have 3 products and the price is $450. Let's click on view cart. Let's make it more than 600. So the total is 750, and now you will see the shipping method is applied, that is free shipping, and you will also see the estimated delivery time is 5 to 7 days. If I go to checkout, you will see the same information is there. Free shipping 5 to 7 days is the estimated time, and I have selected United States as the location. All right, now let's go back and I'm going to disable this for now and let's create a new one. Add shipping method and select zone USA, and I'm going to select flexible rate and expected delivery time. If you want, you can add it. I'm going to keep it as it is. And if the cart total is, let's say, less than $200, I'm going to add a fixed rate of $10 as shipping fees. You can also use incremental rate. Based on the cart quantity, you can change the shipping rate for each item that user is going to add to the cart. You can also use base cost plus additional cost. So the base cost will be, let's say, $10 for the first 5 items, then $2 for every 1 or 2 items added. Right, so here I'm going to select fixed price of $10 and click on save. Right, so this is the condition. If you want to add another rate tier, you can also add another rate tier. Let's say it is greater than $200, then the shipping price will be $15. Let's add a name, USA flex rate, save it. All right, let's go back to the website. I'm going to delete the products. Let's add one product here. The price of this product is $150. Let's go to view cart. And you will see the new shipping method is applied, that is USA flex rate, and the shipping will be $10. Increase the quantity, update it. Now you will see that the cart total is more than $200 and the new price is applied for the shipping, that is $15. So this is how, based on the cart total, you can set up different shipping rate. All right, let's go back and let's create one for UK. Let's select the zone UK. Flexible rate. Here cart total is less than $200, and for the UK I'm going to charge more, let's say $20, and let's add one more, is greater than 200, then I'm going to charge $30. Let's add a name, UK flex rate, save it. All right, now let's go back to the cart. Let's go to checkout, and here the address selected is United States and the price is, the shipping rate is $15. Let's change the country here. Let's make it UK, and you will see that the new shipping rate is applied based on the country. So for each country you can set up different shipping rate. So that one is working properly. Let's go back and let's try another shipping rate. Now let's say you want to set up shipping rate based on the number of products or the items in the cart. So I'm going to select manual rates, flexible rates, and here I'm going to select cart quantity. You will see different options for the cart is equals to, let's say 5. Let's say we are going to use this option base cost plus additional charges. Cart quantity base cost is $10 for the first 5 products, then $1 for every 1 product. All right, let's say how does this work. Click save. Let's name it as cart quantity. Save it. All right, let's exit it. Now I'm going to disable this shipping method so that there will be no confusion. Let's go back to home page and let's delete everything from here. and let's add the product. I'm going to add multiple products here. We have got 5 products. Let's go to view cart, and the shipping cost is now $10, and this is the shipping method applied. Let's increase the quantity. Let's increase the product by 1, update it. So now we have 6 products, and you will see the price is increased by $1. That's what we have set up in the condition. So there are different conditions that you can use in free version. Now I do have the pro version of the plugin, so I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin. So let's exit. Let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And I have it downloaded. I'm going to upload the pro version and click on install now and click on activate plugin. All right, now let's go back to WooCommerce, go to WowShipping, and at the top you will see the license option. You need to enter the license key when you install the pro version of the plugin. So I have already installed and activated the license, and now I can use the pro version of the plugin. Let's go to shipping method. Now let's go to this USA flex rate. Let's enable it and go to edit method. And here you will see an option is available, carrier live rates. You can enable this option. As we are using pro version, we have this option now. And here you can select the carrier. Let's say you want to use DHL Express. You can select that one. After that, you need to connect your DHL Express account. You will see an option to connect your account. When you click on it, it will ask you to enter the sender ID and API key. You will need to enter that information, and you need to connect your DHL Express account with this website. After that, it will show the live price on the WooCommerce website. If you want to know more, you can go to view docs, and here you will see all the information how you can connect your DHL Express account with the WowShipping plugin. Once you connect it, it will show all the details on the WooCommerce website. After that, you can change the mode, make it live or use it in sandbox. You can also select products. There are multiple products for the DHL Express. You can select the required products. You can also set up insurance amount, and these are the other default settings. So if you want to integrate the carrier, you can go for the pro version of the plugin. Let's go to manual rates. Here we have different conditions already set up, and if I click on drop down, you will see that now we have different conditions available. We can set up shipping rate based on product categories, tags, height, weight, user based on user role, email, phone number, based on country, state, city. You can set up different taxes. Right, let's delete. Let's try another one. Let's try product category equals to, we have these categories. Let's say I'm going to select men. So that means for this product category, I can set up a different pricing rate. Let's say $10. Click on save and click on plus sign, and product quantity, let's say, is less than 5. Then we are going to charge $10. Let's add one more tier, or you can delete this one, or you can copy paste this one. So I'm going to copy this one. You will see new rate tier is added. Category I'm going to keep the same, and for this one I'm going to make it is greater than or equal to 5. Then we're going to charge $12, let's say. Right, let's click on save, update it. Let's go back to website. I'm going to delete all the products, and I'm going to start from the scratch. Let's delete everything. All right, let's go to main category, and let's add some products from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we have 4 products here. Go to view cart. The shipping rate will be $10 as it is less than 5. So like this, you can set up different types of conditions for shipping rates. All right, let's click on add rate here, and you can also use product quantity. You can also use product price or product total. Based on the weight also, you can change the shipping rate. Let's say this is the product. I'm going to edit this product, and I'm going to add the weight for this product. Right now there is no weight set up for this product. Let's say the weight of this product is 2 pounds. Let's update it, and let's open the product. Before that, we are going to create a condition here. Let's delete all the conditions. I just want to show you how does this work. So for this one, I'm going to use product weight is less than or equal to 5, then shipping will be, let's say, $15. And let's add one more. Product weight is greater than 5, then shipping cost will be, let's say, $20. Let's update it. So using this condition, you can use the product weight to calculate the shipping rate. Now, if I go here, you will see advanced display rules. You can use the advanced display rule to display this condition on the cart page only when all the conditions are met. You will see different conditions are there. Let's say if the cart total is between $100 to $500, then only it is going to display this shipping rule. Below that we have shipping tax. You can enable the tax and add the tax amount to the shipping cost, and it is going to add the tax amount to the shipping cost. Then we have who can view this shipping method. If you want only the logged in users can see the shipping method, you can select this option. If you want only logged out users can see this shipping method, then you can select this option. And if you want everyone to see this shipping method, then you can select this option. You can also add handling fees. If I enable it, you will see an option to add handling fee. You can set up fixed amount, or you can also set up percentage amount based on the cart total. So let's say I want to add fixed amount of $5 as handling fee, apply fee on entire order or per item, and you can also make this handling fee as taxable. So if you want to set up different shipping rates based on different conditions, you can try using the free version of WowShipping plugin. If you want more advanced features, you can go for the Pro version of the plugin. The regular price of the Pro version is only $69. Currently, there is a sale going on in which you will get this plugin at only $26 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.